Good afternoon, dear students. Say hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear students. Today, we're going to evaluate your writing skill. Are you ready to start? Yes or no? Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Thank you. Very good. Well, in this opportunity, we are going to work individually, and you will share recipes in a writing way through the Write and Improve platform. Please wait a minute. I'm going to share my screen in order for me to give the instructions. Can you watch my screen? Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Please listen to me, dear students. To develop this activity, you have to think and choose a traditional dish that you like to prepare or cook or eat at home with your family. In my case, it is an example. I am going to share a traditional dish called coffee. You have to write the name of the traditional dish. In my case, I wrote coffee. After that, you will write the ingredients. In my case, I need water, coffee, and sugar to prepare coffee. For that reason, I wrote the ingredients. Then you will think about a chronological order and separate the process into steps. For example, I need some steps to prepare coffee. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And you have to write in a chronological order. Step 1, boil the water. Step 2, add the sugar and coffee. And step 3, put the coffee in a cup. You will use the following verbs such as add, combine, mix, boil, cut, fry, and cook. You can use any one of, if you know another, you can use in the same way. Now, please go to your Write and Improve platform. Please go. But wait a minute, I am going to share where you can find the task. Please wait a minute. Okay, can you see my screen, please? Tell me, let me know. Can you see my screen?
Yes, can you see?
Yes.
Very good. As you can see, on the left side, you will find a task, a workbook called Tercero Pino y Roca. Please click there. Yes. And please share this task, a recipe. Click there. And as I said before, here there are the instructions. They are the instructions. And on bottom, you can write your recipe. You can write in that part your recipe. Please write the title, ingredients, preparation. But before you send your task, please be aware to include and write the name of the traditional dish. Write at least 2 ingredients and separate the process into steps. Also, please use the verbs in an imperative form. You can use add, combine, mix. Use commas when listing more than 2 things, ingredients or vegetables or fruits, etc. And finally, please include at least 20 words in your recipes. Please go ahead. You will have 6 minutes to develop this activity. Please go ahead. Do you have any question? Yes or no?
No.
Oh my God, I can see you understood the instructions. Ariel, are you working on writing improved platform? Yes or no? Are you working in the writing improved platform? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Isaías, tell me,
¿Qué preguntó?
are you working? Are you working on writing improved platform? Are you working? Are you writing? Are you writing your recipe? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Daniela, can you hear me? Are you working? I imagine that Daniela has problems. Gisela, are you working on writing improved platform? Yes or no?
No problem.
Very good, very good. Itati, are you working on writing improved platform?
No problem. Please.
Very nice. Finally, I forgot. Erica, can you hear me? No, Erica. Gisela, can you hear me? Are you working on the write and improve platform? You understood the instructions? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. If you have problems with the platform, please let me know. If you have problems with the platform, let me know, dear students. But remember, on the top, you have the instructions for this task. And on the bottom, you can write your recipe. You have to include the title, ingredients, and steps for preparation a traditional dish that you choose.
Teacher, teacher,
Tell me, Daniela, I can hear you. Tell me.
se pasa, es que mi Rosita se pasa de las 30 palabras. Sí, vale enviar o así.
If you have the opportunity to send your task, there is not a problem. There is not a problem if you have the opportunity to send all of your work. But if you can cut some phrases or sentences, please go ahead. Do you understand, Daniela?
Yes.
Very nice. Someone finish your work? Someone finish? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please. Daniela,
Yes.
did you finish? Please, can you share your screen, please? Yes or no?
Comparto pantalla.
Yes. In order for me to see your answer, your job.
Can you see, teacher?
Wait a minute. Yes. I can see you are sharing your screen, but I cannot watch your job. No, I cannot see your work. Good afternoon, dear students. As in my house, the light went out during the application of the Write and Improve tool, it was impossible for you to share your recipes and works through the Zoom platform. For that reason, I am recording a short video right now to ask you to send me a photo with your jobs, with your recipes on WhatsApp. So I want to read your participation. After that, I will record another short video to congratulate, analyze, and discuss your answers. And I will send it to you later. Thank you very much, dear students, for your understanding and comprehension. Welcome, dear students. I have read your recipes, your jobs these days. I want to tell you congratulations, you did an excellent job, and thanks for sharing them with the class. I could read delicious and traditional dishes that you wrote, such as coconut juice, rice with chicken, empanadas, ceviches, bolones, a chicken salad, etc. Delicious. Congratulations. I can see you understood the general structure of the recipe, since you included a title, the ingredients, and the preparation steps. Thank you very much. Now, please wait a minute. I am going to show you some jobs that I choose that you send me on WhatsApp. Please wait a minute. Right now. I copied and pasted some jobs. Sorry. 3 jobs. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Now, please, you have to see the preparation step of these 3 jobs and recognize how are they different and how are they alike or similar. I mean, please, you have to see the preparation step in that part. That's exercise number 1, the exercise number 2, the preparation step, and the exercise 3. And tell me how they are different and how are they alike. Did you find the difference? Exactly. The preparation of the exercise number 1 are different, since some students wrote full sentences. But remember that the instructions were to use the verbs suggested in an imperative way. I mean, we do not include a subject or pronoun before the main verb. In that case, you have to correct this example And you have to write step number 1, cook the banana. Step number 2, tear it apart, and so on. If you write in that way, congratulations. But if you wrote full sentences, please check and change your exercise in the Write and Improve tool and send me a photo again with your job on WhatsApp. Please do this. Now, please, I am going to share with you a last slide. What do you want the reader understand here? In my case, as in your case, you want the reader understand your recipe, your message. In that case, we are going to transmit our recipe. For that reason, you have to include the title, in my case, coffee. You have to include the ingredients, and you have to include the preparation steps, and include the verbs in an imperative way. I mean, we do not add a subject or pronoun before the main verb. You only have to write step 1, boil the water. Step 2, add the sugar and coffee. And step 3, put the coffee in a cup. Thank you very much, dear students. See you the next opportunity. Remember that practice makes a teacher. Never give up. Let's keep working so hard. See you the next opportunity. Happy face for you. You did an excellent job.